Hello and welcome back to Panda's Adventures. Today from our home vlog on lockdown week 569, whatever we're on at the minute. We're going in the kitchen. So this one is a little bit of a hello and how is everyone? And also Alex making butternut squash. Let's join him now in the kitchen and find out what it turns out like. And so while Alex is working away on the butternut squash soup, I'm still here working. With a multitude of things to do. He's looking at me funny now. But yeah, it's really weird, isn't it? Working from home. Kind of like a luxury before to think, oh, I can work from home, but now it's just a little bit different. It's not a luxury anymore, is it? It's a necessity. But we're getting on all right. We're doing well. We've had delivered. We've had so many deliveries, but we've exhausted all of our Amazon suppliers, basically. Because we've just ordered loads, sorry. But we had a new tumble dryer delivered. That was fun. Funny how you look forward to these like random deliveries now. That was really easy to install actually, and Alex made, I'll just put a picture in somewhere around here, but Alex made the old outside lav, old outside WC, a utility room, which was quite good. It was already panelled in like PVC panelling anyway, but we just decided to make it a little bit better.
So tidy up a little bit, get rid of the spiders.
Yeah, I really love spiders, so I just have to make sure that Alex gets that treat as well. I don't love spiders, I absolutely hate them. So yeah, the other new thing that we've had as well is what else new have we had? I can't remember. We've had so much.
Yeah, I know. We had mostly like painting the fence.
Yeah, obviously the paint and things like that. That's stuff we already had. We didn't go out and buy that because that's really not essential, and we know that. But yeah, we had some really bad storms here in February time, I think, March. February. And we fixed the fence, got all that sorted, repainted, so that looks good.
We lost two, didn't they? They broke.
Yeah, we lost two panels.
They need replacing.
And the last week or so, it's been really nice weather, and today is absolutely peeing it down, which is alright because it means people will stay at home. And the other new thing that I've ordered as well is a new camera. Ooh. So I've ordered a new vlogging camera which will be made by Canon. So that will be here in the next day or so, and it's a DSLR. So I know exactly what that means, but I'm not going to tell you because I want you to tell us in the comments what DSLR means. Honestly, I do
no
know.
idea.
So that'll be used for vlogging and getting some really crystal clear shots. The camera we're on at the moment, which is a Sony Handycam, I didn't buy that long ago, but I found that the quality of it isn't the best, unfortunately. So I'll probably be selling this one and moving on. But yeah, that's Panda up to now. Paul and Alex, obviously, if you can't remember what Panda means. We were really sad that we had to cancel our Disney trip in July, but it's all for the right reasons and we know why. We've started to get our little bits of refunds back for things for that, so the airport lounge and bits and bobs. So hopefully we'll get most of our money back on that one. We were going with, and we've said it before, the 3 Frosties. They're the auntie and uncle and cousin of Alex in his family, but they're my auntie and uncle and everything as well, so that's fine. And unfortunately, you know, we were going to go with them, and it's just not safe really to go. Even if they said, okay, flight's still going, we're still not going, because it's just not worth the risk. Our insurance probably won't cover for the old COVID, and also I have asthma as well, so it'd be a bit of a killer if I got it, and I don't really fancy that, if I'm honest. So yeah,
We've got some things possibly still to look forward to in October. We're going to
we're going to go to
Butlins.
Butlins in Bognor Regis, which is the south of the UK. It's a bit like a holiday park, but unfortunately that's all shut down at the minute. So we don't know what's happening, but fingers crossed we will be going there. We're supposed to be going Disney as well in December for the Christmas celebrations. We did that last year, and you can find our vlog up here and the playlist, but we really enjoyed it, so we thought we'd book it again. That might not happen either now because of the hotel's not finished, because it was the refurb of the old Hotel New York into the Art of Marvel, thank you. So we're not sure if that will happen now, but hey ho, we'll push through and keep our fingers crossed.
But we are planning for next year anyway.
Yes.
Well,
How am I?
oh yeah. Okay.
I have it.
So yeah, we're planning for next year, probably late May, early June. So a little bit different to the summertime.
And that's over to
and that's in
Flow
Florida.
Rider. Yeah.
And then hopefully in October we'll go to Paris
Yes.
for some Halloween celebrations, which would be different for us. We've not been to a Disney park for Halloween at all. I would absolutely love it.
No, that'd be really good. So both of those trips are planned with the 3 Frosties. Fingers crossed that everything will all clear up by the end of this year. Until then, until he's finished his soup and goes back to that, we will see you. Well, I will. I've got to get back to work now, so I'll see you soon. Bye. And there we have some butternut squash soup made by Alex, which looks really good, and I'm sure we will be trying some of that for our dinner, will we not?
Yeah, I've tried to make some croutons as well.
Croutons?
Yeah, just put, once you've used the oven, just put the bread in the oven while it's cooling down.
And this is the result. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. A bit spicy, but it's really good. So that's our vlog today from home in the kitchen with the butternut squash. So join us next time for another random vlog that we will do. But stay safe and stay home.